Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. It means a lot. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey, which is the same as Fiat Freemont guys, and we're going to show you guys how to replace the cigarette lighter socket. Stay with us. In the meantime guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So when you open guys the rear door, okay, you get in the car, this is where your cigarette lighter is located, right? Okay, this one right here, and sometimes those sockets, okay, they will break. As a result, it will not work, so we'll show you guys how to remove it now. All you need is a plastic panel removal tool. You can find the tools that we use listed in the description of the video below. Now you need to come between the two pieces, okay, same thing on the other side, and just pry it out. Now come down and pull it out. This is your cigarette lighter socket here now. So let's disconnect the cigarette lighter now. Okay, right here you press in. Okay, let me show you now. Okay, right here. Okay, you press in and you pull it out. Perfect. This is the trim piece. Now let's go ahead and remove the socket. Okay, to see how that's going to work. Okay, right here, these two clips. Okay, you can see one here, one on the other side, guys. Okay, you need to press it in. Okay, yep. Let's see if it's going to come out or not. Okay, now what you can do, guys, another thing. Okay, right here, okay, check out that little clip. Okay, push it in, and at the same time, okay, push the socket out. Okay, hold on, I need to grab it on the back side and push with my finger. Okay, nope, it's still holding here. So let me see. Yep. And the only way to remove that is we need to remove the socket first. So we still need to, okay, press those in. You have two, okay, two plastic clips that you need to push in. Okay, perfect. And it came out, guys. Okay, like that. Now if you want to remove the plastic piece, you can. But this is, guys, your rear cigarette lighter socket. That's how you remove it. Those plastic clips, okay, that are right here, they're the ones, okay, holding, okay, right here. Okay, you can see one here, one over there, the one that we were pushing. So practically you can even pry them out from the inside. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.